Hey, John Hagan, eXp Realty, looking at your Fargo Moore and West Fargo real estate update for August, comparing July's data to last July. See how we're doing year over year in our local real estate market. Overall, numbers are looking pretty good. Prices aren't going up like crazy like they used to for the past few years, and then inventory is going up, which is helping with those prices. So inventory is up 15% from last year. We've had a higher increasing inventory this whole year, which is great, helping with the demand of buyers, helping those prices settle down a little bit, as we'll get to. If we get too much inventory on market and if buyers slow down too much, then we'll probably see a switch in the market, which would turn into a buyer's market. We've been in a seller's market for years, and now we're kind of in a neutral market with the slowdown of people buying homes. Part of that's prices being higher, part of it's interest rates, part of it's people already having homes that are at a lower interest rate already. And part of that inventory is new listings up 9% from last year, so we still have people wanting to sell homes, which is great. And same downtick as last year, probably go up again in August, and then go down for the rest of the year, follow the trend of our local area. Then our median list price is down 1%. So this just means when people first put their house on the market, what do they price it at compared to previous home sales? And sometimes people get a little ambitious or greedy, we'll say, and just put it up a little bit higher, see if their house will sell for higher. And right now we're seeing it a little bit lower. So 1% is nothing to make any huge adjustments about, but it is right on target, or right around where it was last year. And we've seen that all year. So it'll probably stay right around last year's numbers for the next few months. Then jumping over to sales, we had 6% more house sales in our area than last year, which is great. We want to see sales continue to increase. There's a drop from June, but that's pretty normal in our area. We see the peaks be in June and August. So August might be an uptick from July. I don't know if we'll get as high as it was in June. June might have been our highest month for the year, and then it'll probably start to go down once again for fall and winter, unless something drastic happens with interest rates, which could happen. Averages in market 14% slower than last year. Our fastest was June. Other than that, we've been slower than all year. My prediction is we'll be slower for the rest of the year versus last year once again, unless something happens with interest rates. But slower, it's just kind of slowing down to a normal rate for houses on the market, or days on market for an average house. The median sales price is up 0.5%, so that's pretty much the same as it was last year. No huge spikes, no big drops in there. So that's great. We kind of can predict the market of being similar to last year for prices at least. And this is partly because interest rates are higher. Prices did go up, which slowed down the buyer's demand. So prices kind of are following that. If interest rates drop, we might see prices go up because there'll be more demand. So it's all about supply and demand. Right now, pretty good. I think we'll follow last year's trend on prices. All right, that's your market update. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out like always. John Hagan, eXp Realty, helping you buy and sell smarter.